Hi guys, it's Deborah, Time with Jewel by Deborah. How are you? Oh, I am so excited about the scarf collab. So I got a big box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I will show you each item, and then at the end I will take pictures and post those. So alright, let's get started. So I hope you guys are enjoying this collab. We love doing collabs. They're so much fun. Alright, we got the paper. Let's just go ahead and pull them out. So we've got an Old Navy, beautiful blue and like a mustard scarf. So that's nice. Make room over here for them. Alright, next we've got, this feels like wool. It's got hair stuck to it. Let's see, it is black. It definitely feels like wool. If I start itching, I'll know it's for sure wool. So I don't see any tag on it. So I will definitely look that over, but it looks like a black wool long scarf. Okay, next I got pink. This is really pretty. Got tassels on the end. It's like a sarong maybe. It's a pretty color. I love that. Beautiful magenta. Looks like there's some runs on it. You guys can't see that, but oh, there's a fuzzy on there. There is some runs on that. No name. Okay, next up. This one has definitely been washed. It's a cute one. I love that. It is blue. It has stretch to it. That's a fun design. I like that one. So what I'll do is at the end I'll take pictures and I'll give you guys prices. Alright, next up. This feels like t-shirt material. Yep, it is. It's like a big gator or universal. And it's a beautiful green. More green. This is pretty. Okay, this has a tag. Polyester. It is a beautiful green color. Wow, that is lovely. Nice. Okay. Next, we got a yellow one. This is more of a rectangle. This one is 100% polyester as well. It is yellow. Bright colors. All right, next up, we got a, feels like a cotton. Blue. Oh, that's pretty. If you guys can see the polka dots on there, it's in blue and white. Looking really quick to see if there's any tags. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Can you believe it's almost the end of the year? Crazy. Okay, I don't see any tag on that. It's pretty long. That one will be fun to photograph. Alright, then we've got a, I would call this a light periwinkle. It looks like it has runs in it as well. It is very long. Not great quality so far. Oh, okay. We got, I was going to say, look, we got a rug, or we got a toilet bowl cover. Just kidding. It is faux fur. It is polyester, so it is a stole or a wrap. Goes like this. I don't know if that brooch is supposed to be on there, but there is nowhere for you to put this on, so let me show you that with my Fleetwood Mac shirt. But isn't that cute? So far we got a cute piece. You definitely need to pin that. Alright, next up we've got a faded white and black printed long scarf. Pretty. That would look nice on a table. Okay. This looks warm. So this is fuzzy. Definitely fuzzy. And I'm wearing black pants today. So, oh, a big, long, fuzzy scarf. It's very soft. There is a partial tag on it, but it looks like it's folded over, so I can't get any information. And I think what I'm going to end up doing with a lot of these is just donating them. I don't think I'm going to sell many of them. Maybe the faux fur and a couple other ones. Okay, this one is sewn together or stuck together. I'm not sure. It is, oh, okay. It's a universal or figure 8 universal. I can't think of the word right now. So it is one of those that you put around and you put a few times around the neck. Okay. This box is not looking great. Okay, we've got like a faded denim blue. It's very long. Okay. Okay, then we have a black and white chevron design. That's pretty. Hey, there's a tag. This one is Susan Daniels. That's really cute. I love chevron. One of my favorites. Okay, then we have, oh my gosh. You guys saw that, didn't you? Then we have another like cottony. This one is Cabby. It is a long scarf, blues, greens, purples. Looks like there's no holes, but I will check that out. Okay, everybody wants one of these. Wow, this is long. For 4th of July, here we go. You can drape yourself in a flag. This one does have a tag, 100% polyester. So it is a gigantic flag scarf. That would be cute on 4th of July. Okay, then we have another one with stars. This feels like a polyester as well. This one is 100% polyester. Okay, polka dots. I love it. This looks like it's been washed a lot, unless it's supposed to look this way. It is very, not bright, I should say. Black and white polka dot, very faded. All right, no bangers in this box. Well, I kind of like that faux fur. Okay, this one is free press, and it is another one that goes all the way around the neck, and you wrap it around. It is very soft. It is a beige. This one is blues and black tie-dye, very long, very thin. All right, then the next one we have another wrap around the neck one time or 2 times. This one is pretty. It is no markings on it. It's very soft. All right, next one is black and white. That's really pretty. I'm looking for a tag. Now this one does feel like silk. Oh, there's a mark on the bottom. All right, Echo. So I will definitely need to look that up. Echo. So we've got a marked one. And it looks like the last piece is a houndstooth plaid, very long. All right. Oh, all right. Let's see. I think it's a poncho. Let me go ahead and, because there's a V-neck in there. Yes, it's a poncho. So you would put it on. There you go. I know you guys can't see that. So that's cute. I don't see any maker's mark on that. So, not a great box, you guys. I am hoping that everyone in this collab got a much better box. But yeah, so what I'll do is I'll take pictures and I will put prices on them if I'm selling any. There may be 3 or 4, and I think the rest I'm going to donate. So stay tuned for the next piece, and then don't forget during this video and at the end I will put the link to the next video. So hold on, I'll be right back. Hey you guys, so I think this is a Lily Pulitzer. It sure does look like her print. Let's see if I can find it. So right here, it's got that bright pink label, and that's what popped into my head. I mean, besides the print. But yeah, we're going to make this not for sale. There are pulls. Unless someone really wants this to make something out of, we'll do the Lily Pulitzer for $2.